إنسان كوكبي النون، عنواني هو حيث أكون، قلبي بالعالم مسكون، يصعب تحديد العنوان.
Honorable Muzaffar sir and my dear good friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to share a topic about Halaal and Haraam. Before starting my program, I will share a quote in front of you. That is, Namaz is the key of Jannah. First of all, I will talk about Halal. Halal is what is permissible or lawful in traditional Islamic law. When people use the word in Islamic countries, they usually mean to say what is allowed in Islamic law. Muslims have very strict rule what they can eat. Example, fish, chicken, meat, rice, egg, etc. Now I am going to talk about haram. Haram refers to anything that is prohibited in Quran or would result in sin committed by a Muslim. Example, music, alcohol, slaughtering animal without Allah's name. So we are all Muslims, we should obey laws of our Almighty Allah. So I have a suggestion to you, that is, if we have any goal and we want to achieve that goal, first of all, hard work for that goal. After hard working, if we are failing in that goal, try again for that goal. By trying and hard working, we can achieve our goal. And we want to tackle any type of examinations in Islamic studies or world studies. Now my second suggestion to you, that is, we don't want to eat those things which are mixed with pork and in which haram is available. Thanks for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.